Hey everyone, and welcome to today's buying guide video. Before we dive into today's buying guide, I want to mention this video is based on my personal experience and recommendations, and there are no ads or sponsorships involved. To make things easier, I've put purchase links in the video description. If you found this video helpful and want to support my channel, feel free to buy through those links. Thanks a bunch. Today, we're focusing on Countertop blenders, and we've handpicked the best models on Amazon for 2025. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned foodie, here's a blender here for you. Have you ever struggled to choose the right blender for your needs? Whether you want a daily healthy smoothie or a kitchen workhorse for all kinds of recipes, no worries, we are here to help you figure it out. Today we'll start by understanding some blender basics. Then we recommend some great value options based on different needs. So let's get started. First up, motor power is crucial. Generally, blenders under 300 watts are good for soft ingredients like juices and milkshakes. 300 to 800 watts can handle everyday needs like crushing ice and making smoothies. And 800 watts and above are best for tougher stuff like nuts, ice, and even thick soups. Second, blade material and design are also key. Most blenders use stainless steel blades, which are durable and sharp. The number and shape of the blades also impact blending efficiency, with some blenders having multi-layer blade design that is more effective. For example, a quad blade is generally better at blending than dual blade. Also, make sure the blade is easy to remove and clean. The container material matters too. Glass containers are easy to clean and duck stain, but are heavy and fragile. Plastic containers are lightweight and durable, but not heat-resistant and can scratch easily. Some use Triton, which has glass-like clarity and plastic-like durability. It's generally safer to choose BPA-free materials. For capacity, if you were just using it for yourself, around 500 milliliters to 1 liter should do it. For families or for batching, go for 1.5 liters or more. Many blenders have a pulse function for better control of texture. Some advanced blenders have preset programs like smoothie or ice crushing modes for easier use. Self-cleaning features can also make your life easier. Let's get to the recommendations and start with some beginner-friendly options suitable for those on a budget and mainly for making simple smoothies. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender operates with a robust 700-watt motor and features stainless steel ice saber blades, making it particularly effective for everyday smoothies, protein shakes, and ice crushing. This model boasts a patented wave action system that helps in ensuring thorough blending by continuously pulling ingredients towards the blades, a real game changer for achieving smooth results. The 40 ounces glass jar is a standout feature, offering not only a wide base to prevent clogging, but also easy cleaning with dishwasher-safe convenience. At a price of $29.99, this blender presents significant value, especially when you consider its glass jar, a feature not always found in blenders under $30. However, the lid design is a noted drawback. It tends to be flimsy and slightly tough to handle. Additionally, it can be quite loud during operation. Considering these characteristics, I recommend this blender for budget-conscious users seeking an entry-level option for basic smoothie-making tasks. The Magic Bullet blender, priced at $39, is a compact and affordable option for those who prioritize simplicity and space saving. It's an entry-level, personal blender with a 250-watt motor, suitable for basic smoothies and light mixing tasks. The small size and lightweight make it a great fit for small kitchens or on-the-go use. Featuring an 11-piece set, it includes cups with lids for convenient travel use. The components are dishwasher-safe, simplifying cleanup. An included recipe book helps inspire creative uses beyond smoothies. However, the power may be insufficient for tougher ingredients like large ice cubes or frozen fruits without added liquids. Durability might be a concern, as the blades are susceptible to wear and tear over time. Overall, I recommend this blender for budget-conscious individuals needing a simple and quick solution for making single-serve smoothies and light sauces. It excels in light-duty household blending, particularly when ease of use outweighs the need for power. Next up, we have multifunctional value picks, ideal for those who need a blender for different kitchen tasks. The Ninja Master Perk Kilby 900B, with its powerful 400-watt motor, efficiently tackles both frozen, blending, and chopping tasks. Its design includes an interchangeable master pod that fits vamping with a 48 ounces pitcher and a 16 ounces chopping bowl, offering versatility in your kitchen tasks. The non-slip bases and storage lids add to its convenient design. Not stopping there, its compact form and light weight of just 4 pounds make it ideal for those with limited kitchen space. I find it particularly effective at crushing ice and blending frozen fruit smoothly, a testament to its versatile nature. While its affordable price of $34 presents great value, the shorter blades in the pitcher may struggle with larger quantities, necessitating multiple operations. Cleaning can be somewhat challenging, especially around the blades and lids, but the dishwasher-safe components do offer some convenience. In conclusion, the Ninja Master Prey is perfect for those seeking a cost-effective, multi-purpose kitchen tool, especially for tasks like making smoothies or chopping smaller food items. Ideal for budget-conscious users, bombatizing versatility and space-saving design. The BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush Countertop Blender is a versatile choice ideal for those who have diverse culinary needs. Its 4-tip Quad Pro stainless steel blade efficiently creates a vortex, leading to smoother blending results. Featuring 4 speed settings, this blender offers versatility for everything from puring to crushing ice. With a 700-watt peak motor, it performs admirably well for its class. This power makes it suitable for most kitchen tasks, including making smoothies and sauces. The 6-cup glass jar is impressively sturdy and resists staining, a significant advantage over plastic. It also supports easy cleaning with its dishwasher-safe parts, further simplifying maintenance. Although compact, the jar has enough capacity for family-sized servings of blended drinks or soups. Despite these benefits, there are minor drawbacks. The shape of the jar can make it challenging to hand clean, and it occasionally struggles with larger ice cubes. The loud operation might not appeal to noise-sensitive users. Some components might seem less durable compared to competitors. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush is an excellent choice for budget-conscious individuals needing a reliable blender for everyday tasks. Perfect for small families or individuals who enjoy crafting smoothies, sauces, and other blended dishes, its all-voting and solid performance make it a commendable selection. Now we move on to some great blenders for serious home cooks who are looking for better blending performance. The Ninja BL610 Professional Blender stands out with its powerful 1,000-watt motor, capable of crushing ice and blending tough ingredients with ease. Its large 72-ounces pitcher is perfect for making large batches, ideal for families or gatherings. This blender excels in creating smooth smoothies, soups, and even handles some food processing tasks. It's user-friendly with BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts, ensuring easy cleanup. The total crushing blades efficiently break down everything from ice to fruits and vegetables, making it a versatile choice. Despite its benefits, I discovered a few drawbacks. The plastic pitcher may crack over time if frequently dishwashed, and while powerful, it doesn't always achieve an ultra-fine texture with items like spinach or dates. It's also on the noisier side. Overall, the Ninja BL610 is a fantastic option for those who need a high-power, versatile blender for a busy family kitchen, especially if you don't mind a bit of noise. The nutribullet Pro plus 1200-watt personal blender stands out for its powerful motor and sleek design. With 1200 watts, it significantly outperforms typical blenders under 800 watts, making it ideal for anyone needing to crush hard ingredients like nuts and ice efficiently. Its pulse function provides flexibility, offering precise control over texture, which is perfect for creating everything from smoothies to chunky salsas. In terms of convenience, its thoughtful design includes multiple cup sizes, 32 ounces and 24 ounces, which come with to-go lids, ideal for busy individuals who enjoy their smoothies on the move. This blender's compact stature, measuring just 5.26 inches by 4.8 inches by 14.4 inches, means it won't command too much countertop space, making it suitable for small kitchens or countertops. Although it excels with wet ingredients, users might find it less effective with dry components like spices. I find the cleaning process straightforward, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts, though the potential for leaking, if the lid isn't firmly tightened, could be a minor inconvenience. The powerful motor may result in a relatively high noise level. In summary, this blender is a great choice for health enthusiasts or anyone needing a reliable, powerful personal blender for everyday use, but may not suit those sensitive to noise or requiring a quieter environment. Finally, let's check out some pro-level blenders for those who need the best blending performance possible. With the powerful 1400 peak watt motor, the Ninja Professional Plus Dual Blender is designed to efficiently handle tough ingredients, making it ideal for users seeking robust blending performance. The inclusion of multiple Auto IQ programs simplifies the creation of smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient-rich blends at the touch of a button, perfect for those who value convenience in a busy lifestyle. The blender also features total crushing blades, effectively transforming ice into a snow-like consistency, which is essential for creating refreshing beverages and professional-grade sauces at home. Accompanying the 72 ounces total crushing pitcher, 224 ounces. Serve cups with spout lids are provided, enabling easy on-the-go, blending versatile enough for both family use and personal needs when time is of the essence. Although the plastic construction of the pitcher is sturdy and BPA-free, some might prefer a glass container for its resistance to wear and ease of cleaning. Moreover, some dense mixes can be challenging to achieve a perfectly smooth consistency, but the stacked blade assembly aims to minimize this issue. Weighing slightly over 8 pounds, this blender remains stable on your Countertop, thanks to its suction cup feet, providing a secure blending experience. The parts are dishwasher safe, adding an element of hassle-free cleaning. However, particular attention is needed when cleaning the lid due to its multiple components. Notably, this blender is priced competitively at $109, offering substantial value through its power and versatile design. Overall, the Ninja Professional Plus Duo Blender is ideal for those seeking power and versatility, such as home cooks and smoothie enthusiasts. It's especially suitable for families who require a dynamic blender capable of meeting multiple blending needs, while still being accessible for quick, single-serve creations. The Vitamix E310 Explorian blender stands out with its professional-grade performance, offering 10 variable speeds for precise control. This blender excels at creating anything from smooth purées to chunky soups. Its powerhouse motor effortlessly blends even the toughest ingredients, making it ideal for making smoothies, soups, and even nut butters. The hardened stainless steel blades guarantee durability and efficient blending. The convenient self-cleaning feature requires just 30 to 60 seconds with soap and water to maintain. The 48-ounce container size is perfect for medium-sized batches, fitting well in both small households and personal uses. While its loud operation and a somewhat inconvenient container design might be drawbacks, the E310 is a top choice for those requiring reliable, high-performance blending in a compact form. Overall, I recommend this blender for culinary enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals who value efficiency and quality in their kitchen appliances. Alright, we've covered different types of blenders, from beginner to pro level. There's surely one that suits your needs. We hope this video helps you choose the best blender based on your needs and budget. Feel free to share your experiences or ask questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gadget goodness.